Hi everyone. Today we will be discussing from your class 9's NCERT book Beehive, a very beautiful lesson, The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov. Before beginning, I would request you all to please like, share and subscribe to my channel as I am new to YouTube, and also please comment on the comment box that how you are liking my videos. Let us start. Isaac Asimov, he is an American writer and professor of biochemistry at Boston University. He is basically known for science fiction stories. Here I have given you all, see, he is born in the year 1920 and died in the year 1922. The theme of the story is related to education type, which is of modern education type or future education type, that how education will show a drastic transformation from the old traditional ways of studies to new methods focusing on the needs of every individual. Also, the story tells us that the more our society is becoming technically sound, the more it is losing on the social ground. Okay, so the setting is year 2157, when children learn individually at their home only from their mechanical teacher, or we can say robotic teacher. So let us begin the summary of the story. The story begins with a girl, Margie, who writes in her diary on the night of 17th May 2157. What she writes? She writes of Tommy, her friend, who has found a real old book. Now the story revolves around this real old book. Okay? We come to know that the book is very old. Grandfather told her that when he was a little boy, at that time his grandfather told him the existence of such books on which all the stories were printed. This book made the kids very inquisitive. The book had yellow and wrinkled pages for the obvious reason that it is very old. Both Margie and Tommy found the books very different from the modern technology. Okay, they are in the year 2157 and they are reading at home itself from modern modern teacher, from mechanical teacher, and they are definitely finding the book to be very different, which had still words unlike the words that moves on the screen. Okay, finding the words still and not moving, Tommy remarks it waste. Okay, Tommy says that it is just a waste, as he thinks that after reading the book thoroughly one must throw it away. Okay, however, he compares, because he here compares his television screen with the book and says that it has millions of books and can load more books, and he would not throw away the television screen. Why? Because obviously it can load more and more new books. Even Margie is with the same view to that of Tommy. Here we come to know that Tommy has seen more textbooks as Margie. Okay, now see, these are the old books. Tommy has seen more books than Margie. Why? Because Tommy is 13 years old and Margie is 11 years old. So Margie asks Tommy where did he find the book? To which Tommy replies that he found in his house itself. And Tommy, just after replying, again becomes busy reading in the attic. Attic is a space below the roof, mostly used as a storeroom. Okay, it is mostly used as a storeroom and it's a very small kind of space just under the roof. When Margie asks Tommy that what the book is about, he replies that it is about school. Hearing the book is about school, Margie gives a scornful reaction. Now, scornful is a worthless kind of reaction. So, I have just put a picture here. You can see yourself that this kind of reaction we call it as scornful reaction. Margie, because why she gives such reaction? Because she hated school. Margie starts to even hate school more as she has been doing worse in the texts of geography subject, which is given by her mechanical teacher. Now she is doing very poorly in that subject, and thus what happens? Her mother calls the country inspector. When she finds that she is continuously failing in that subject, she calls for the country inspector. Now the country inspector is described to be a little round man with a red face and carrying a box of tools with dials and wires. When he comes, he gives Margie an apple and puts the mechanical teacher apart to look for the fault. Okay, he just starts to investigate the matter, so he puts the teacher apart. When he was doing so, Margie begins to think that the inspector will not be able to put the parts together. However, in an hour, the mechanical teacher is again put together by the inspector. Here, the mechanical teacher is described as large, black and ugly with a large screen on which the lessons were taught and questions were asked. But here Margie describes that the screen is not that bad for her as compared to the slot where she has to submit her assignments and test papers, that is also in the writing of machine language. Now we come to know here that this machine language is taught to her at the age of 6 years. Okay, and in return of that, when you submit the assignments, definitely marks is awarded by the teacher. So here mechanical teacher also does same. She awards marks to Margie. Now the inspector has finished and he smiles and pats Margie's head and says to her mother, and referring to her as Mrs. Jones. Okay, we come to know that her mother is referred as Mrs. Jones. That the fault is not with Margie, but it is with the geography sector. Actually, the geography sector was of little higher standard, and now he has slowed it down for average 10-year level. Okay, so Margie should be happy, right? But Margie, rather being happy, feels disappointed. Why? Because she thought that they will take the teacher away and will not be repaired so soon. She here also gives reference that how once Tommy's teacher was taken away and for almost a month as his history sector was blanked out. So she even thinks that might be the same case would happen to her. But no, she is disappointed. Margie now again comes back to the current situation where she and Tommy is reading the book. Now Margie again questions Tommy that why would anyone write about school? At this, Tommy explains that how schools used to be different from this time. Now after reading the book from over his shoulders for a while, again inquires if old schools had teacher. And now what kind of teacher she is referring here? She is thinking of a mechanical teacher. But Tommy's reply amazed her, startled her, that the schools had man as a teacher. Margie again asks that how a man could be a teacher. And at this, Tommy explains that a man used to explain things to the boys and girls in the school. They used to give them homeworks and also ask them questions. Margie questions that how can a man be as smart as her mechanical teacher? At which Tommy replies to her that it is possible because even his father knows as much his teacher knows. Margie, though, was not sure of the facts told by Tommy, but she was not prepared to disagree and rather said that she does not want to be taught by a strange man in her house. Now, listening to this, Tommy breaks into laughter. Hearing this, he explains that the teacher used to teach in a special building, and this special building they called it as a school and not in the personal houses. He even adds that the kids rather used to go to school for studies and the same age group learned the same thing. See here, which really happens in a school. Margie speaks from the point of view of her mother, that how every child is different and should be taught differently, which she points out that it was not done in the school that way earlier. Okay. Tommy, hearing this, asks Margie not to read the book any further as she is not liking it, because she's every now and then she's finding fault and all. Okay. But she quickly replies that she did not mean it that way and wanted to read it more. They were almost at the mid of the completion of half the book when suddenly Margie's mother called her up that it is time for her school, saying her that it is time for her school. Now Margie requested Tommy if she can read the book with him after school. Tommy replied to it positively, but did not show any interest, walked away whistling, tucking the book under his arm. Now see Margie's schoolroom. Margie's schoolroom was just beside her bedroom, where she used to take classes regularly from Monday to Friday on the same time, and these were all decided by her mother. Margie, entering the schoolroom, finds the screen lit up, which said about the arithmetic lesson on the addition of proper fraction to be taught on that day, and asked Margie to insert the previous day's assignment in the proper slot, which she used to hate a lot. Okay, Margie does so, but keeps on thinking of the old schools, that how the kids enjoyed together in the schoolyard, how they studied together and go home together. She looks at the benefit of learning together, which could help them to discuss and help each other with the homework. Also, she thinks of the teacher, which were people at that time and now is the mechanical teacher. The mechanical teacher is very busy teaching her, but she is not paying any attention to it, and rather she is lost thinking about the fun the old people had in school. So this is the summary of the lesson, the fun they had. Please let me know in the comment section that how you liked it. Thank you so much.